Today, I'm not coming with, hi, my name is Tolegan Tingsu Enoch. I'm not here for that today. I am here to share about how my daughter was essayed in Huronel sprayed by a teacher. Our kids are not safe at schools. I am one of the parents who has a child who is suffering mentally. On the 7th of November 2024, my child was sexually assaulted at Huro. The sad part is that the guy was arrested, and then after that he went to appear at court. I followed up with the officer, and for the officer to tell me that no, the docket is still with the prosecutor. Up until now, the guy is walking free. Just 2 weeks ago, Simbonile. Justice for my daughter, because she's only 15. Otishala bangcolile, guys. Abantwana bethu bareyitshwa ezikolweni, and it does not matter uba sisikolo esiphi esinjani. And to make matters worse, the guy was not immediately reported to SACE by Ikuro. He got a job in another school. And you know what? When we followed up with Ikuro, it took them more than a month. We've got emails for them to eventually do that. Lucky enough, the new school, because now we had to take our child out of Ikuro. The new school, when we told them about that, they immediately removed him. As long, they said to us, just bring us the proof that there is a case against this guy. They did that. We are scared of our lives because you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. But I'm deciding to speak out because the justice system in South Africa is failing us. Ipolisa that is dealing with our case told me when I was looking for a document that is needed by the new school. So where my kids, my child is, of which that's where this guy moved to, because the school did not find anything reported against him, which is as an offender, right? So that police officer said to me, when I told him, why are you sending us from pillar to post? All we need is something that is written down. He told me he's too busy because I've got this written down on my WhatsApp. I have 25 other cases that I'm working with. So it simply meant that my case is not that special. That's what he was implying in my own understanding. As a mom, my child has been to a mental hospital. We are paying a lot of money, psychologists, to help my child to cope with the situation. Yet the perpetrator is freely walking around the streets of Nelspruit. Justice for my daughter. To Umama Kacece, thank you for standing up and undikhumbuza ukuba kanene nawe you owe it to your child to fight.